Oh, what is going on, everyone? We are back on the water. Gonna keep this intro real short. We're in a special little place here where I've caught my PB. So our goal today, while we're on the water, I think we're gonna try and catch about 100 inches of fish. I was talking to Brayman earlier today and was just asking him, so what do we want to do when we're out there? What's our mission? And so today we're gonna measure every fish that we catch on our board. And the goal again is to get close to 100 inches. So stay tuned. We'll get you guys thrown on the GoPro.
This is 17 and a half. Pretty good size, 17 and a half.
You want to weigh them?
Almost 3 pounds, 2 pounds, 12 ounces.
What'd you get them on?
Oh, this Senko.
God damn it, dude. I want to get a top water, but...
Woo!
All right, starting off with the old whopper plopper.
On. Trying to help you. How bad to start off with? Yeah. Right at 15.
All right, Brayman's crushing already. We've been here for like 20 minutes and he's caught 30 something inches. So I'm gonna make the switch. I had all the hopes in the world of getting some sweet top water action, but Brayman's already caught 2, so I'm gonna have to make a switch. Figure I'll fish Texas rig going up, drop shot coming down, switch to a chatterbait or a swim bait. Looking to get something close to 5 pounds today would be ideal. A little baby.
You what? Nice, dude.
About the size of some of the swim baits people throw.
Hey, put them on a hook. Start throwing them.
I mean, I should.
Oh, you have to.
Okay, so that's gonna need an upgrade. Damn it! All right, taking you off. I'll put something else on. Texas rig, a custom bait. Oh man, he's feisty. Oh, I can't get to him. This is awkward. All right, first decent one. Barely hooked. Bramo. That's funny, I put that crawl on and immediately, yeah. 15 3/4. Thanks for playing, pal. So I'd been fishing the Senko and was getting no love, so I switched to poured 4 or 5 of these custom baits yesterday and literally first cast. So one, like you got out of that phase, you know. Got one. Oh, he was good too. Damn, he spit it.
You hitting them all in the crawl?
Yeah. I set the hook like a Nancy boy. He came out of this bush. I could see him. He was probably like a 20. Yeah. Damn, that sucks. That was a good one. Got one. Oh, that's deep in your gullet, guy. Well, shit, he was probably 12 or 13. His head? That's weird. Did you measure him?
Yeah. I think it was 16.
Nice. So this is what happens when you take your GoPro battery out. I was literally just messing around with my battery. We get a quick weight on him.
It's a fat one.
Yeah, and a measurement. Over 19.
Badass.
Whoops. Well,
Good save.
4.4.
Dude, right under. Badass, dude.
I'm gonna let him go right here. Thanks for playing, Big Mama. Classic move, you change your GoPro battery out, and I literally cast in this like crevice right here, put my pole down to put a new battery in, and I just saw my rod going left. no, 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 no. Ah! I'm having all sorts of trouble. These stupid low-lying branches. I got my line stuck in the branch. He got off. Damn. All right. No. Yeah. Well.
Perfect.
Huh. Just one more would be great. Don't know if it's gonna happen. This rain has kind of messed with them. Well, Mother Nature kicked us out. It is starting to rain and we don't want to get zapped by lightning, so we're calling it early. It was a pretty good day, I think. Overall, we maybe had 70 inches. I got to go home, and when I edit this up, I'll add all the inches together. But a lot of fun, good time out in the water. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.